All right, welcome back to. All right, I credit where credit's due. Yeah, don't often make these videos. All right, welcome back to the channel. This is the non-review channel, the channel that doesn't do reviews. But I did a review on my last ride where I reviewed the Zumo XT from Garmin, and I said, "Shit, don't buy it." I stand by that. I stand by the fact that the mounting system, which I told you before, was a little bit. I don't think it was up to scratch. Like, I don't think it was rugged enough for what it was supposed to be doing. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so this is the mounting system on the front of the KLR. As you can see from the little dot of solder that I've put off here, that's the earth pin that I was talking about. These are the two little power pins, and they're spring loaded. And they sit in this little catchment system here, and that is the electrical connector for the system. And I don't think that is up to scratch. Honestly, the spring in there absolutely just shat itself, and there was no bounce. So when you lock the unit on there, that pin was disappearing into the fucking sunset and wouldn't connect with the earth pin on the unit itself. So anyway, I complained about it. Fucking sent Garmin a letter. So like I said, I sent them, not a letter, I'm old school. I didn't send them a letter, I sent them an email. But like I said, I sent them an email and I said, look, I've had this bloody Zumo XT on my bike for 11,000 Ks and the connection is just, it's shat itself. They came back to me and they were like, we want some footage. Well, they wanted videos, they wanted photographs, they wanted the serial number. Pretty much the standard shit that you'd have to send anyway if you were making like a warranty claim, I suppose. I figured that it was over 12 months. I figured it had a 12-month warranty. I wasn't too sure. And I didn't know what I was going to get, but I knew that there were problems with the connection from tons of forums all over the fucking planet, pretty much. So I was a bit annoyed. I was a bit annoyed that the thing wasn't working, because the Zumo GPS itself, great system. Connection, shit. To Garmin's credit, and I'm the first person in the world to call out bad customer service. Garmin have great customer service. So I sent them the email. They wanted all the details on it. Fair enough. It's their prerogative to ask for all the shit that they wanted. So they wanted the serial number, they wanted the invoice of where I bought it from, they wanted all of that sort of stuff. So I sent all that to them. They then sent me an invoice saying, this is your invoice, return the unit. So only the unit. So essentially I only had to return the Zumo itself. So just the machine. The mount and everything stays here. I send them the machine. They sent me a fucking brand new system. So the whole thing. So they sent me the whole thing. Now, so they said this was factory refurbished. Unless they took the entire thing apart. Yeah, I think this is a brand new unit. But the thing that I have noticed out of this the most is on the back of the system, this is flush. Now the system that I had, or the screen that I had, the two bottom pins, which were the power pins, or the positive side, they had raised plastic, I don't know, enclosures around those bottom two pins. And on this one you can see they're not there. So I'm wondering, because this is the new clamp, or the new connection, and if you look at that from that position there, it's pretty much identical. It's pretty much identical to the other one. But this unit here doesn't have the two plastic enclosures that were around the two power pins at the bottom of this unit. So maybe this is an updated version, and yeah, but I sent the whole thing. So I've got the entire system. It's got new clamps. So everything. They sent me a brand new Zumo XT2 with a brand new mounting system. So while I'm sticking by my review that said that the Zumo XT2 connection is absolute shit on my bike, I'm telling you that Garmin's customer service is pretty damn good. I'd say that's up there for an international company. Little old New Zealand, this is fast service. I sent this away on Tuesday. They received it Wednesday. I got an email Thursday that they'd sent the replacement unit out, and on Friday I received it. So 4 days turnaround, pretty damn good. So guess what I'm doing this weekend? I am refitting this to the bike, and taking the old mounting system off. So pretty happy. Thank you, Garmin. You have restored my faith in big companies, and I'm looking forward to getting the Zumo on there, and hopefully that this new bracket and the new system that you've got with the back of the Zumo actually works. I'll be really impressed. So yeah, well, there you go. There is a review, which I stick by the first one. That those fucking original Zumo mounts are just poos, absolute poos. But the new one, I'm hoping it'll be okay. So there you go. Done. Now I've got to put it on the bike. Oh, well, it's raining this weekend anyway. There you go. Okay, catch you later.